All right, today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about A-dec syringes and that pesky thing that happens when you're using water and then you switch to air and water still spurts out. So here's some likely reasons on why that's happening, and Sharon here in Patterson, Indianapolis is going to explain this to you, and we're going to show why that is. Okay, Sharon, so show us what we're going to do to make sure that that water stops leaking out of the tip,
Okay,
or
so
starts mixing.
What we're going to need to do is replace the O-ring inside of this tip assembly. You need a 5/32 Allen wrench. Loosen up the assembly. Inside the assembly is a brass barrel. Inside that brass barrel is an O-ring.
Take that brass barrel out.
And whatever you do, don't lose the brass barrel. You'll cause yourself more problems if you do.
Get like a scaler or some sort of pick, right?
Correct.
This is a brand new syringe, so that's pretty tight. So take out that O-ring and we'll get you a new O-ring.
And replace the O-ring.
So let's say that's a new one.
You just push it down inside that brass barrel, inside the tip assembly, and screw it back onto the syringe. Use your 5/32, just snug. You don't need to crank on it. You crank on it, you'll crush the barrel and you'll cause yourself more problems.
If that doesn't fix the problem, then what do we do?
You need the entire tip assembly.
So we order just a new assembly.
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.